southwestern DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fayette County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Henry County in north-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, south-central Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 1:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly.
I won't.
Some locations that will experience flooding include Atlanta, Fayetteville, Jonesboro, East Point, Stockbridge, Union City, Forest Park, Riverdale, College Park, Morrow, Lovejoy, Hateville, Lake City, Hartsfield-Jackson Airport, Candler-McAfee, Lake Spivey, Rex, Cascade Heights, Lakewood Park, and Conley. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Significant weather advisory for